What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and it's the year 2024. Today we're going to be installing the weather shield. I'm just washing my car and cleaning it up and going to dry it up, and then we can install the weather shield. Alright, so we've got the weather shield here, and that's what we're going to be putting on. And this weather shield's from OCAM Industry. They're about $80. They're on sale. They're normally about $89. So this one's for my Ford Ranger. Alright, so I got the dark tint one. You can also get clear ones, but I prefer the dark ones. And this is like a slim as well, so this is pretty good because it's almost like an OEM part for the Ford Ranger. Great quality. So we just got to make sure that it fits and make sure it's on the right side. Alright, so I'm going to try to fit it to make sure it's right. So this one goes here, and this one's going to go here. And that's what it looks like. So what I've done, I've just put blue tape to make sure it's lined up and it's on the right height. So what you need to do is peel the tape. This one's got the 3M tape. Peel that. You also need to peel this part over here. And then you apply a bit of heat. And then while it's hot, you can now install it. Just apply a bit of pressure. Just make sure you put heaps of pressure in there. So now you do the same for the other side. That's one side down. So that's what it looks like right now, and it looks really good. It's nice and slim, and it's really dark, and it looks really good for the car. So now we can do the same for this side. We'll put the blue tape first. Make sure you push it in again so that it sticks. Alright, so we've got our last one to do. Just make sure it's fitted right and it's even. That's our last one done. That looks really good. Look how dark and black it is. Yeah, it's really great for the weather, especially when it's raining. We'll check out the other side with the windows down, and that's how much gap it is. So this is what it looks like inside. So the good thing about WeatherShield, when it's raining, you can have your windows open and your car won't fog up, and you won't have to turn on the AC because the rain won't be coming inside your car. So this is a really good addition for this type of weather. It's always been raining and then it'll be sunny again. Raining again, so yeah, this is really good, and it's good quality and it's a good price as well. You can get it from OCAM Industries. So that's our first mod for the year of 2024. If you want to see more mods coming up, please subscribe and click the notification bell, and also you can be part of the member for my YouTube channel. You can do that. So that's what it looks like, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.